Yeah.
Sounds
Typical. What's the ingredients used to make like local desserts? So is there any popular ingredient here?
Okay. Okay, stand by in 3, 2, 1.
So Tante, what kind of ingredients do you usually use for your desserts? The typical Minahasan,
The Minahasa
dessert?
is we use the rice flour or glutinous rice
Okay.
and especially the powdered sugar.
Palm sugar. And they produce a lot of palm sugar here.
Yes,
Right?
palm sugar. We have a factory here
Oh, okay.
and palm sugar and also they export by liquid or by palm sugar. And the palm sugar is the healthy sugar because it's organic.
It is healthier and low GI too.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you guys, so what are the other typical Manhattan desserts?
Yes, we have many. We have appam, we have a burger, we have a lubenka, etc. We have many.
Oh,
Usually, always they use from the palm sugar.
palm sugar, and
That's the secret.
I can see coconuts as well. Yeah.
Yes.
Coconuts. Okay.
Right, should we dig in?
Yes,
I want to try
this one and that one.
both. Both. First, it's for you.
And I will serve for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, there's filling for this one.
It's called only only. That is palm sugar inside. That's like a snowball.
Amazing texture. Some chewy.
Hope that you will like it.
This one is from glutinous rice, is it?
Yes, glutinous rice.
And palm
This is
sugar.
egg.